Let's make the perfect pumpkin spice cookies. Hey everyone, to start we're going to make our own oat flour. We do this by adding 1 1/4 cups of traditional oats or old-fashioned oats to a food processor and blend for about a minute or two. Set this aside. Add 12 medjool dates in addition to 1 cup of pumpkin puree and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and combine in the food processor until the dates resemble the size of a pea. Be sure to scrape down the sides so that everything gets mixed well. Add 2 flax eggs, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla paste, baking soda, almond butter, and salt, and combine once more. Everything is made in the food processor, so this is super easy. Add your oat flour, pumpkin pie spice, and almond flour or almond cow meal, and blend once again until everything is totally homogeneous. Add a 1/4 cup of traditional oats and a cup of vegan chocolate chips, and combine with a spoon or a spatula until everything is one homogeneous dough. Set this aside in a medium mixing bowl. I like to put it in the fridge while I preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 180 C. I like to then take all of the dough and individually shape each cookie because these cookies are healthy and don't have any vegan butter or oil, so you want to shape them as they won't spread during the bake. I shape them into medium-sized cookies. I like to add a little bit of flaky salt or kosher salt on top right before I bake, and I bake for 12 minutes, turning the tray halfway. Let them rest for 15 minutes to ensure that they finish baking. Then take a spatula and remove each one carefully onto a wire rack where they will cool completely for about 45 minutes. These cookies can be enjoyed for a week at room temperature, but I like to throw them in the fridge just in case. They can be frozen for 6 months. If you guys like these recipes, be sure to subscribe to the channel for free recipes every single Friday and daily shorts. See you next time.